In this video, I want to show you how to download and install the free program Sweet Home 3D on your Windows computer. To get started, we'll just go to open up a search engine and type in Sweet Home 3D. You can do this at Google or anywhere you want to. The link I'll also include in the description of this video, which is right below. But this is the website we want to go to. It's sweethome3d.com. Now, Sweet Home 3D is a completely free and open source architectural drawing software. It's very easy to use, very intuitive, and it's super powerful. I've actually used this software to draw up plans for an addition, a garage addition. I took it to the county. They approved the plans. It had everything they needed, the requirements. So you don't have to get into CAD and do really, really technical stuff all the time, depending on your project. So for your needs, if you're wanting some drawing software, you want to draw up a floor plan, this is the software you should be using. So we'll click download at the top here, and there's a couple different versions. There's a free version and a paid version. So the only difference is the paid version comes with extra pieces of furniture and textures, and the free version doesn't. But that's okay, because if you're just drawing this up for, like, if you just want to draw a floor plan, you're just fine. If you want it to look nice and pretty, you can do the paid version on Amazon. But we're just going to do the free version here. And so we'll click on it. It takes us to SourceForge, and we can just download this. It'll automatically start downloading. And so we'll click Save File. It's 50 megabytes, so depending on your internet speed, it shouldn't take too long to download. Mine will only take about 30 seconds, so I have maybe 15 seconds left. And then when this is done downloading, it's going to appear in my Downloads folder. So to find my Downloads folder, I just go here. I click on the File Explorer on my computer, and click on Downloads. And it shows everything that's in my Downloads folder, and I can find this. It's called Sweet Home 3D. And I can also just run it from here. Once it's done downloading, I can click, and when it's finished, I can just left click, and it'll open up this file. So it's an installation file. So the first thing we need to do, I'll just minimize so we can see better what's happening. We open up this file, and it has to install on our computer. So first we go to English, we click OK, if that's your language. Then I click Accept the agreement, click Next. And we'll just keep clicking Next. This asks where we want to install it. We can leave everything here by default the same and keep clicking Next, and then click Install, and it will install this free software. It doesn't come with any viruses. Don't worry about that. Like, it's not a malicious program at all. It's a legitimate, free, good quality software. It's not going to ask for your credit card number or try to get you to buy anything else. Okay, when this is done, we can just click Finish, and it will automatically launch. So I'll click Finish, and it's going to open the software for the first time. And that's it. Now we have Sweet Home 3D installed. Join me on the next video, and we'll kind of explore the interface, how to get started using this software. I appreciate you watching. Go ahead and comment below if you have any questions or if you had issues getting this installed. It also works on Mac and Linux, I believe. I know it works on Linux. I think it works on Mac as well. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.